Okay, Bhushan Bharatrao.
Yes, sir.
What is your medium?
Sir, English medium.
English medium.
Yes.
Brief yourself.
So, my full name is Jadhav Bhushan Bharat Rao. I am from Begwan, Taluka Indapur, District Pune and State Maharashtra. And I have completed my mechanical engineering. And I have also completed my post-graduation in political science. And recently I have applied for the PhD in political science. And so my hobbies are I like to do meditation, Vipassana meditation, as well as I like to be a part of a night trekking group in Pune. And the motivation behind me to join the forces, sir, because of Sainik School and NCC, I got opportunity to know about the forces, the adventurous life in the forces. Also, I got opportunity to interact with the officers like Major Thapa sir, who is a commandant of our school, and he used to tell us experience about his in army and how they bravely and courageously fought in the Kargil war for the country. So it's my motivation to join.
Okay. And in NCC, which certificate you have earned?
Sir, A certificate.
A certificate.
Yes.
Any camp?
Yes, sir. ATC camp at Latur.
Army attachment.
Yes.
How many types of the shooting are there? For shooting position.
Okay, sir. Sorry, sir, I am not aware of. So,
You have done your MA in political science.
yes, sir.
And studying PhD.
Yes, I have recently applied for the PhD.
Okay, tell me the core political idea of Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar.
Okay. Okay. So Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar always believed in the value of constitutionalism, the rule of law, and he have full faith in the state, the concept of state. He, according to him, the state can play a role of a welfare state in today's era, and it is very important. It will play very important role in upliftment of a weaker section of the society. And if we compare his ideas with the Gandhi, then we come to know that Gandhi want a stateless society, but on the other hand, Bhimrao Ambedkar have totally different opinion. And for that, sir, he compared and studied a lot of constitution around the world and drafted the most appropriate according to our society in the Indian context.
And what is the concept of constitutionalism?
So in constitutionalism, the source of rights of people is through constitution. I'm not aware about the exact concept, sir.
And what is the basic characteristics of the social contract theory?
Okay. Sir, basically in social contract they believe that in a state of nature there is anarchy, there is no rule of law. So people come together, it's a kind of contract between a people to form a state, to form a rule-based society, to have a peace and harmony. So they form a state, and this is a basic idea behind the social contract.
How Rousseau's concept on the social contract theory is different from Hobbes and Locke's?
Okay. Sir, under Hobbes' concept of social contract theory, he demanded absolute state, means people have to completely surrender their all rights to the state under Hobbes' concept of social contract. And in state of nature, there is a state of anarchy, he said. There is no rule of law, everybody is selfish, everybody is fighting for the resources. But in the Rousseau's concept, he believes that the state of nature is peaceful. There is no such anarchy in selfishness, etc. But he said that there are issues when we look at the right to property, etc. some issues may arise. So he said that for that we should come together and form a state through contract. He even gave theory of general will, that everybody have one equal say while forming contract through his theory of general will also. This is, and his state is not absolute, that even people have right to rebel if state is absolute.
Bhushan.
Yes, sir.
Your name is Bhushan.
Yes, sir.
What's your roll number? What is your roll number?
Sorry, sir, I'm not able to recollect.
You don't know about your roll number.
Sorry, sir, I'm not able to recollect. Right.
Okay. You are a mechanical engineer.
Yes, sir.
What is difference between projectile motion and rocket motion?
Sir, I'm not sure about the answer. Can I guess?
What is difference between octane number and Sheetan number?
Sir, octane number is basically related to petroleum fuel, and Cetan number is related to diesel fuel. And these numbers tell us the efficiency of fuel. Means
What is second law of thermodynamics?
sorry, sir, I'm not able to recollect.
You are not able. ठीक है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। आपने एनजीओ के साथ भी काम किया है।
Yes, sir.
एनजीओ के ऊपर बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन मार्क उठ रहे हैं।
Yes, sir.
करप्शन के,
Yes.
फंडिंग के। आपकी एनजीओ भी इसमें शामिल थी?
No, sir.
कभी क्वेश्चन नहीं आया?
No, sir.
अच्छा, गवर्नमेंट ने अभी रूल चेंज किए हैं एनजीओ को जो फॉरेन डोनेशन वगैरह मिलता है,
Yes.
उस पर क्या रूल नए बनाए गए हैं?
Okay. So, government have taken various measures under FCRA Act. Under that, they told NGO to register. Compulsory registration has to be done, as well as they told NGO to open only one bank account for every NGO rather than multiple accounts. And they have also said under rule that their administrative expenses should not be more than what funding they are receiving from the foreign funding. And so this much issues I know.
आपने सिंहगढ़ से पढ़ाई की हुई है?
क्या सर?
सिंहगढ़
सिंहगढ़, yes sir.
बहुत हम लोग बचपन में पढ़ते थे गढ़ाया पर सिंहगढ़। तो सिंह कौन सा था जो चला है?
No.
सुना होगा शिवाजी ने जब उस सिंहगढ़ को जीता था, सिंहगढ़ किले को।
Yes.
तो उसमें एक बहुत प्रसिद्ध सेनापति थे जो
Yes.
मराठों के रूप में शहीद हुए।
Yes, yes.
क्या नाम था?
Sir, about he. Yes. Sir, actually in Sinhgarh, Tanaji Malusare is considered as one of the lion of Shivaji's force, Shivaji's army, and he lost his life while winning Sinhgarh. That's why Shivaji Maharaj, to praise his bravery, he changed the name of the Kondana to Sinhgarh.
कौन नाम था?
Yes.
न्यूज़पेपर आपने पढ़ा है? भूषण
Today, sir. No, sir. I have read today's.
तुम्हारा
Tomorrow I will read.
Saturday?
I didn't hear.
तुम्हारे तो आप पढ़ेंगे ही।
Yes.
Saturday पढ़े थे?
Yes, yes. I've read yesterday.
कौन सा?
So I've read Indian Express.
इंडियन एक्सप्रेस।
Yes.
इंडियन एक्सप्रेस के चीफ एडिटर इस समय कौन है?
So Mr. Goenka.
हो गया।
Sorry, sir. I'm not able to recall.
श्योर नहीं। ठीक है। आपने लिखा है एक्टिव मेंबर ऑफ नाइट ट्रैकर्स। ये क्या है? ये किस प्रकार का ग्रुप है?
Yes, sir. Sir, in Pune we have group for trekking. Means I'm a member of that group. We usually organize night treks. Like recently we went to K2S from Katras to Sinhgarh, and this competition usually happens once a year, and it's a trek from Katras to Siagarh, almost 16-kilometer trek, almost 13 hills we have to cross in one night, and there are other local treks also under that group they arrange regularly. And especially night trek, sir, I thought it's more challenging than normal trek, so I like to do night treks and camping as well.
शिवाजी के राज्य में अष्टप्रधान हुआ करते थे।
Yes.
उनका नाम आप बता सकते हैं, पोस्ट उनके सिमिलर क्या, उनका वर्क क्या था?
Sir, I'm not able to recollect their names, but for different department, yes, sir.
डिपार्टमेंट का नाम ही नहीं था।
Yes. So Peshwa is there, and after that Wakhnavis, and Khajindar, and sorry, sir, I recollect. Yes.
आपने 12 की पढ़ाई लक्ष्मी राव आपटे कॉलेज से
Yes.
की। लक्ष्मी राव आपटे जी कौन है?
Sir, Lakshman Rao Apte ji is
लक्ष्मण राव।
yes. Sir, he did social work in that area. It's around that area, and he worked for the upliftment of the woman as well as the weaker section of the society. He also opened various schools in that area also, in around Pune.
सपोज भूषण आपको कहा जाए, रिसेंटली आज इलेक्शन हो रहा है अमेरिका में, ठीक, अमेरिका में इलेक्शन है और इंडिया में भी इलेक्शन होता है, इन दोनों में मेन अंतर क्या होता है, दोनों के प्रेसिडेंशियल इलेक्शन में?
Okay. Sir, in US election, president is elected by the indirect election, because first they elect the electorates, means delegates in states. After that they elect the president, and the system is little different than India, because sir, in American system, when they elect delegates, if they won a state election in that state, majority in that, all votes will go to the respective party, like suppose Democrat or Republic. But this is not the case in India, because in India overall votes are calculated for presidential election, and it is one of the major criticism of US election system is that this electoral college, because of this electoral college, even though a president have overall majority support, still he didn't become the president. Like in last election, Hillary Clinton, though she had majority support, overall votes, means if you compare the delegates, but they couldn't win the election because of this electoral college. That system is not there in India.
अभी आज सुबह की न्यूज़ है कि एक चैनल के किसी एंकर को महाराष्ट्र पुलिस ने अरेस्ट किया।
Yes.
इस पर कुछ लोग कह रहे हैं कि ये प्रेस की आज़ादी पर मतलब धावा बोला गया है, ये उनके लिए प्रेस की स्वतंत्रता पर प्रश्न चिन्ह खड़ा हो रहा है महाराष्ट्र में। कुछ लोग, लेकिन महाराष्ट्र गवर्नमेंट और वहाँ की पुलिस बोल रही है कि ये क्राइम करने के लिए इनको अरेस्ट किया गया है, इन्होंने किसी की मौत के लिए जिम्मेदार है, केस हुआ है। आप किसका पक्ष लेना चाहेंगे? दोनों पक्ष आपस में लड़ रहे हैं।
Yes. So I think the issue is right now in the process. There's still the whole investigation didn't completed. So I think that while regulating media, there should be a balance. We have to regulate if media is polarizing people's view. If it is going the criticism is not authentic, and it's just because of fake news, then we should take a strict action. But on the other hand, media is considered as important pillar of the democracy. We should maintain their certain freedom so that they can criticize government impartially and effectively to maintain and to ensure the freedom of speech in the society. So I-
किसका पक्ष ले रहे हैं, महाराष्ट्र गवर्नमेंट का या उनका? किसी एक पक्ष में आप नहीं आ रहे हैं?
So actually, I thought it's
दो व्यू आ रहे हैं, एक व्यू कह रहा है कि क्राइम हुआ है इसलिए इनको अरेस्ट किया गया है, दूसरा कह रहा है, दूसरा पक्ष है वो कह रहा है कि ये हमारी जो फ्रीडम मिली हुई है मीडिया को, ये उस पर अटैक है। इन दोनों व्यू में से आप किसको चूज करना चाहेंगे, किसके पक्ष में जाना चाहेंगे?
I thought, sir, right now the issue is not completely investigated. That's why it's difficult for me to take one stand directly because the facts are not clear still yet.
टाई आपने खुद पहनी है?
I didn't hear you, sir.
टाई आपने खुद अपनी पहनी
Yes, sir.
है?
Yes,
बांधी है?
yes.
कितने टाइप से टाई बांधी जाती है?
There are different type of knots, sir, but I know the simple knot. I don't know about the other types.
How many knots in your tie?
1, 2, 3, sir.
3. Sir?
Yes.
I think 4.
Okay. 3, sir, I thought.
3.
Okay, thank you.
Yes.
Over.
Thank you, sir.
Call you later.